Welcome back to Acoustics, your go-to destination for innovative home design ideas from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful architectural styles of the modern age, brutalism, with a unique twist, multi-level layouts featuring terraces and split floors. Get ready for a journey into raw concrete elegance like you've never seen before. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop us a comment below. What's your take on brutalist architecture? Love it, hate it, or just discovering it? We'd love to hear from you. Now let's get into the heart of these bold and dynamic homes. With their geometric forms, multi-tiered living spaces, and sculptural terraces, these homes prove that concrete can be anything but cold. Brutalism emerged in the mid-20th century as an architectural movement defined by bold geometry, raw materials, and functional form. Its hallmark? Exposed concrete, often left unfinished to showcase the natural texture and imperfections of the material. The term comes from the French béton brut, meaning raw concrete. But don't be fooled, brutalist architecture isn't just about the material. It's a philosophy centered around honesty, structure, and clarity. Though once controversial, brutalism has found new admirers in today's design world. Its minimalism and monolithic presence are now celebrated for their boldness and timeless character. In modern residential architecture, the idea of multi-level or split-floor homes has taken center stage. These layouts break away from traditional floor plans to offer visual interest, spatial variety, and a sense of movement within the home. When brutalism meets multi-level design, the result is striking. Think concrete planes stacked like sculptural forms, cascading down a hill or rising up from the earth. Multi-level homes allow for zoned living, with distinct areas for privacy, work, rest, and entertainment, all interconnected through stairs, platforms, and mezzanines. Despite its reputation, concrete is a highly versatile and expressive material. In brutalist homes, it's not just a structure, it's the very soul of the space. Different finishes, smooth, board-formed, bush-hammered, can change the tactile and visual impact of each space. Concrete can feel warm, cold, intimate, or monumental depending on how it's used. And when light hits concrete in a multi-level home, it creates shadows, depth, and contrast, bringing the material to life in unexpected ways. Terraces are essential to multi-level brutalist homes. They act as horizontal pauses, breaking the verticality and giving space for interaction with the outdoors. These terraces aren't just decorative, they serve as functional outdoor rooms, perfect for lounging, gardening, or simply enjoying the view. They also create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection, softening the stark nature of concrete with light, air, and landscape. Split-level designs allow for dynamic spatial storytelling. Instead of stacking rooms one over another, split floors shift and stagger, creating layers of movement and purpose. This setup allows homeowners to enjoy visual connectivity between spaces while maintaining acoustic and functional separation. Imagine working in a study that overlooks the sunken living room, while the kids are playing just a few steps down on a terrace, connected, but not crowded. Brutalist multi-level homes naturally lend themselves to zoning. Quiet zones like bedrooms and offices are often placed on upper levels, while public areas are kept open and central. Split floors also allow transitions to feel organic, as you ascend or descend based on function, rather than walking down long hallways. This kind of spatial choreography makes these homes feel alive, like they shift and move with you throughout the day. In multi-level brutalist homes, staircases are more than circulation, they're sculptural elements in their own right. Floating treads, cantilevered slabs, or monolithic concrete stairs often become focal points that define the home's character. When thoughtfully placed, these stairs contribute to the flow and rhythm of the home, serving as both practical paths and bold design statements. Natural light plays a powerful role in softening and elevating brutalist interiors. Light wells, skylights, and narrow clerestory windows bring in daylight without compromising privacy. As it travels across textured concrete surfaces and down split levels, light creates a living canvas of changing shadows and highlights. This ever-shifting lighting contributes to the emotional richness of the home, transforming concrete into something warm and welcoming. Surprisingly, brutalism aligns well with sustainability. Concrete has high thermal mass, which means it can regulate indoor temperatures efficiently. When designed properly, these homes require less mechanical heating and cooling, reducing energy use and creating a stable internal climate. Pair that with passive solar design and green terraces, and you have a brutalist home that's both stunning and sustainable. Some of the most iconic multi-level brutalist homes can be found in Japan, Mexico, and Australia, where terrain and creativity inspire bold experimentation. Architects like Tadao Ando and Paulo Mendes de Rocha have redefined brutalism through homes that climb hillsides or spiral inward around light. These homes serve as case studies in balancing mass and void, public and private, natural and man-made. The terraces and split levels in brutalist homes allow indoor and outdoor spaces to blend effortlessly. Sliding glass walls, open-air atriums, and rooftop gardens all extend living space beyond the concrete envelope. This fusion not only expands usable space but also invites in nature, air, and changing seasons as part of daily life. Inside these homes, interiors often embrace minimalism and functionality, echoing the brutalist ethos. Furniture tends to be low-profile, geometric, and built-in, sometimes emerging directly from the concrete structure. Materials like leather, wood, and steel create contrast and comfort, while muted tones maintain visual calm. In dense urban environments, split levels offer clever solutions for privacy without sacrificing openness. Instead of solid walls, changes in elevation subtly separate activities and people within the same space. It's privacy by design, not by division. A masterclass in spatial intelligence. Concrete can be acoustically challenging, but multi-level layouts help by disrupting echo paths and diffusing sound naturally. Soft materials like rugs, curtains, and upholstered furniture also absorb sound and add comfort. Even exposed concrete can be acoustically tuned with clever surface treatments and thoughtful spatial zoning. There's a profound emotional resonance in brutalist homes with multi-level designs. Moving through these spaces feels like traveling through a living sculpture. The combination of weight and lightness, silence and sound, makes for a deeply immersive experience. These are not just homes, they are architectural narratives, where every level tells a part of your story. Of course, designing multi-level brutalist homes comes with challenges: structural load, waterproofing terraces, and managing complex circulation. But the rewards far outweigh the difficulties, especially when collaboration between architect, builder, and client is strong. Precision and planning are key, ensuring that every level, line, and texture supports both beauty and function. So why are multi-level brutalist homes gaining popularity again? Because they offer something most homes don't: a spatial journey. In a world of cookie-cutter designs, these homes stand out as bold, personal, and deeply expressive. They're not for everyone, but for those who value raw beauty, layered living, and architectural storytelling, they're irresistible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of multi-level brutalist homes, where concrete meets creativity in the most unexpected ways. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Which part of brutalist design resonated with you the most? We'd love to know. Stay tuned for more bold and inspiring design ideas here on Acoustics, where architecture becomes lifestyle. See you in the next video.